Stop treating your child's reading time like typical, distraction-heavy screen time. Welcome back. If you want to foster healthy, lifelong reading habits in your kids while ditching the constant pop-up notifications, mobile games, and video temptations of standard tablet, the Amazon Kindle Kids 16 gigabytes, newest model, in the Vibrant Ocean Explorer bundle, is your ultimate parenting shortcut. This isn't an ordinary, delicate piece of glassware that you have to nervously monitor. It is a ruggedized, child-proof passport to thousands of worlds. The absolute showstopper feature of this Kindle Kids bundle is its ironclad, parent-approved financial safety net. Amazon's legendary 2-year worry-free guarantee. Kids are tough on electronics. They drop them downstairs, leave them in backpacks, and spill juice on them. With this official bundle, if your child manages to break the device under any circumstances, you simply return it to Amazon, and they will replace it completely free of charge, no questions asked. What makes this latest hardware generation a definitive upgrade for developing minds is its optimized paper-like display and faster performance profile. It features an enhanced, high-resolution 6-inch 300 ppi glare-free e-ink screen that reads exactly like real ink on paper, meaning it won't tire out young eyes during long reading sessions. Now boasting a 25% brighter front light at max setting, matching the clarity of the premium Paperwhite line, an adjustable dark mode, and significantly faster page turn speeds. Stories jump off the screen without any sluggish lag. Because it operates entirely on a dedicated Kindle OS child profile, it is 100% ad-free and completely blocked from internet browsers, social media, and hidden in-app purchases. Backed by a massive 16 gigabytes of onboard storage that can hold thousands of books, a battery core that lasts up to 6 weeks on a single USB-C charge, an included 6-month subscription to Amazon Kids, plus packed with endless curated titles, and an intelligent parent dashboard to track vocabulary milestones and set bedtimes. It turns reading into an immersive, distraction-free adventure. Click the link below for the best price and invest in your child's literacy journey today. If this breakdown helped you secure the ultimate kid-safe reading device, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the smart, high-yield family tech that makes parenting easier. See you in the next one.